Are you struggling to get both group names and their counts from your data frame in Python? You're not alone. Today, we're going to solve this common issue with Pandas and show you how to get the results you need. I totally understand how frustrating it can be when you have data but can't extract the information you need. Many users face this challenge when working with Pandas, and it can feel like you're missing a crucial piece of the puzzle. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked how to get both the group names and their corresponding counts from a data frame. They provided an example where they only received the counts, leaving out the names. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So what's happening here? When you use the value counts method in Pandas, it returns a series with the counts of unique values. However, if you convert this to a matrix, you might lose the names. Let's explore how to keep both the names and counts. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that will make working with data frames even easier. To get both the group names and their corresponding counts as a list, the user can start by converting the value counts to a data frame. This will allow access to both the index and the values. Next, the user should rename the columns of the new data frame to make it clear which column contains the group names and which contains the counts. Now, the user convert the data frame to a list of tuples. This will include both the group names and their corresponding counts. Finally, if the user prefers a NumPy array, they can convert the list of tuples into a NumPy array using the NumPy library. Fun fact, did you know that the Pandas library is named after the term panel data? It's a great tool for data manipulation and analysis. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests a very simple approach. They recommend using the list function directly on the value counts of your data frame. This way, you can easily get both the group names and their corresponding counts as a list. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. An alternative approach suggested by another user involves using the NumPy unique function. You can use np.unique to get both the unique values and their counts from your data frame. You can also zip the outputs from np.unique to create a list of tuples containing the group names and their counts. Alternatively, you can zip directly on the value counts output to achieve the same result. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always remember to reset the index when you want to convert a series to a data frame. It can save you a lot of headaches. And there you have it. You can now easily get both group names and counts from your data frame. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips and tricks on using Python and Pandas.